This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, an audio media storage unit, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Stop by our location at 100 Oxmoor Lane for the best deals on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoorflm.com.